If you've ever wanted to publish your own coloring books on Amazon, Etsy, or your own store, but you can't draw or don't know where to start, then stay with me. What I'm about to show you is a brand new PLR bundle that gives you more than 500 fantasy-themed coloring pages you can sell as your own. This is one of the easiest ways to launch a complete coloring book business without creating anything yourself. Fantasy Coloring Pack V2 is a high-quality, done-for-you, print-ready coloring page collection. The pages are crisp, detailed, and come with full private label rights. You can rebrand them, sell them, publish them, and even turn them into physical or digital products. The value is strong, especially at the launch price. If you're looking for something that actually helps you create income-producing assets quickly, this is one of the safest and smartest buys in the PLR market right now. Fantasy Coloring Pack V2 gives you more than 500 brand new coloring pages featuring 10 popular fantasy characters. These include princesses, dragons, wizards, knights, fairies, unicorns, elves, hobbits, gnomes, and princes. Every coloring page is high-resolution, print-ready, and perfect for both kids and adults. You also get a complete done-for-you coloring book template inside Canva, formatted for Amazon KDP with trim and bleed. You get editable book covers plus PSD mockups so you can create stunning product images in minutes. This is perfect for creators, KDP publishers, Etsy sellers, PLR resellers, agencies, and anyone who wants to start a passive income business using ready-made digital assets. The biggest objection people have is that they don't have art skills or they don't know how to put together a book. This package removes that entire problem because everything is already created and editable. When you log into the members area, you'll see all 10 fantasy character folders. Inside each folder, you'll find more than 50 unique coloring pages. These are clean, high resolution, and sized at 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Next, you'll see the Canva coloring book template. With one click, you can open it inside your free Canva account. Here, you can drag and drop the pages you want, change the order, add text, and export your book in KDP-ready format. You'll also see 10 editable Canva book covers. These include front and back covers already sized for Amazon KDP. You can replace the title, add your name, and export within seconds. Finally, you'll find the PSD mockups. These help you display your finished coloring book as a 3D product for your sales page, Etsy listing, or portfolio. Everything is simple, organized, and beginner-friendly. There are 3 optional upgrades available. Upgrade 1 is $27 and unlocks 15 new fantasy characters with more than 500 extra coloring pages. Upgrade 2 is $27 and gives you 500 brand new scene-based coloring pages featuring all 25 fantasy characters. Upgrade 3 is $27 and gives you more than 600 Legendary Warriors coloring pages for both adults and kids. All upgrades come with private label rights, and they significantly expand your ability to publish more books across multiple niches. These are optional but very high value if you want to scale faster. When you grab Fantasy Coloring Pack V2 through the link below, you also get my exclusive bundle designed to help you get more traffic, build faster, and sell more. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master to create eye-catching slideshows for your KDP or Etsy previews. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page plugin to speed up your website and reduce bounce rate. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator to automatically sync Facebook leads into your autoresponder. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus for adding countdown timers inside emails and web pages. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer to improve your ad campaign performance. Bonus 6, Action Pull for segmenting your email list to increase conversions. Bonus 7, Website Pouch Pro for hiding and revealing promotional content anywhere on your site. Bonus 8, SlyUp Bar plugin to help you collect email leads effortlessly. Bonus 9, Pin Marketer to automate Pinterest posting for free traffic. Bonus 10, Keyword Research Ninja to quickly find buyer keywords for your KDP box. These bonuses are available only through the link below and only while this promotion is active. Fantasy Coloring Pack V2 is one of the most complete and easiest to use PLR packs launched this year. The artwork is new, original, and high quality. You get done-for-you book templates, covers, mockups, and full rights to sell everything as your own. If you want to start or expand a profitable coloring book business, this is a powerful shortcut. The launch discount and the exclusive bonuses are only available for a limited time. Once the timer hits 0, the price will increase and the bonuses will be removed. To avoid missing out, click the link below right now and lock in your access. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and digital product breakdowns. After your purchase, check your email for instructions on how to claim your bonuses. Click the link below to get Fantasy Coloring Pack V2 before the bonuses expire.